Hello, Turks and Caicos. This is your 3-day forecast issued on Wednesday, the 14th of January, 2026. For the general situation, fair weather continues across the Turks and Caicos Islands today, with light to gentle breezes and minimal weather impacts expected. Forecast for all areas, partly to mostly sunny, and then fair tonight. Winds are coming from the east to southeast at 5 to 15 knots, and seas in the Caicos Bank 3 feet or less, and on the Atlantic side 2 to 4 feet. The daytime high temperature is expected to rise to 82 degrees Fahrenheit with an overnight low of 73 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset will be at 5:25 p.m. The next high tide is at 4:20 p.m. and the next low tide is at 10:29 p.m. Now for a look at the extended forecast. Fair and generally quiet weather will persist through Thursday. By early Friday, a weakening front will approach the Turks and Caicos Islands, bringing increased cloudiness and a few showers before fading later in the day. Lingering moisture and troughing may keep periods of showers in the forecast into the weekend, though no significant impacts are expected. Forecast for Thursday, partly sunny with a high near 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Thursday night, mostly fair with a low around 73 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds will be coming from the southeast to south at 10 to 15 knots, falling light and variable at times at night. Seas in the Caicos Bank 3 feet or less, and on the Atlantic 2 to 5 feet. Forecast for Friday, a low chance of isolated showers, a mix of sun and clouds with a high near 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Friday night, isolated showers, possible in the evening, partly cloudy with a low around 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds will be coming from the northwest to north at 10 knots or less, then shifting northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Seas in the Caicos Bank 3 feet or less, and on the Atlantic 2 to 4 feet, building up to 7 feet offshore in the evening. And that is a look at your forecast issued on Wednesday, the 14th of January, 2026 by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Friday.